Hi, this is Nicholas Fenner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with your weekly weather briefing for the week of June 14th, 2021. Highlights for the weather this week include dangerous heat conditions today across much of our forecast area, with a chance for at least some isolated stronger thunderstorms by the late afternoon. Then a warm but drier week ahead for most of the rest of this week. And then our eye is on the tropics and possible increasing chances for heavy rain by this weekend. Those dangerous heat conditions are in effect today with a heat advisory that's out for northeast Louisiana, southeast Arkansas, and the southwestern half of Mississippi, where heat index values of 105 to 110 degrees look to be more likely. Be sure to stay cool and stay hydrated if doing any sort of outdoor activities today. Here's a look at those maximum heat index values forecast for around the region. Even in areas to the east of the heat advisory, caution should still be exercised as the heat will still be pretty high today. Looking at those rain chances, best chances for showers and thunderstorms by the late afternoon will be mainly south of Interstate 20, but some isolated storms could pop up around other portions of the area. Then looking ahead, especially tomorrow, but through the rest of the week, those heat index values should be dropping below 100 degrees for most locations, as we are seeing drier air move into the region for the rest of the work week. Looking at the tropics, the National Hurricane Center is watching a broad area of disorganized low pressure in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico in the Bay of Campeche region, and they've given a 60% chance for that region to develop into a tropical depression through the end of this work week. And we'll be watching as that area of deeper tropical moisture and possible organization starts to move north through the Gulf over the course of the rest of this week. Even a disorganized area of low pressure, though, could bring some chances for heavy rainfall and stronger winds along the Gulf Coast. So anybody traveling along the Gulf Coast this weekend should be monitoring for the chances for heavy rain as well as stronger winds. Stay tuned for updates throughout this week as this situation will unfold over the next several days. Again, mentioned the chances for heavy rainfall. Looking out through the next 7 days, most areas will at least see some chance for heavy rain by the end of the weekend, but especially along the Gulf Coast, where several inches of rain will be possible. Just as a rundown for the week ahead, those warm temperatures will hang around through most of this week, but the rain chances will decrease after today as drier air moves into the region, which will also lower the risk for dangerous heat. And then as we head out towards this weekend, we'll see the increasing chances for humidity and heavy rainfall as we monitor the tropics. In summary, dangerous heat conditions today for much of the area, and as a chance for some strong thunderstorms, with decreasing chances for humidity and thunderstorms throughout the rest of the week, and then monitoring the tropics as we head towards the weekend. Thank you for viewing our weekly weather briefing. If you have any questions throughout the week ahead, feel free to give our office a call and follow along on our social media channels on Facebook and Twitter for updates to the forecast throughout the week ahead.